हेलो साथीहरू, आई होप यु अल आर फाइन। आज हामीले फरेस्ट्रीको केही एमसिक्यूहरू डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ जुन चाहिँ खास गरी फरेस्ट्रीको लोकसेवाको लागि विशेष महत्त्वपूर्ण छ। त्यसैले लेट्स स्टार्ट। And here first question is, how much area is covered by forest and other wooded land in Nepal according to FRA 2010 to 14? And here are the options: 6.61 million hectare, 5.96 million hectare, 8.16 million hectare, 0.65 million hectare. Now you have to guess, then we will discuss it. नेपालमा फरेस्टको एरिया मिलियन हेक्टरमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि 6.61 मिलियन हेक्टर छ। यो फरेस्ट र अदर वुडेड ल्यान्ड गरेर 5.96 प्लस 0.65 गरेर यो टोटलमा 6.61 मिलियन हेक्टर हुन पुगेको छ। पर्सेन्टेजको कुरा गर्ने भने फरेस्टको 40.36% अनि अदर वुडेड ल्यान्डको 4.38% गरेर 44.74% टोटल एरिया रहेको छ। अब नेपाली मेजरमेन्टको कुरा गर्ने भने कहिलेकाहीँ हामीलाई लाखमा पनि आउन सक्छ, त्यही भएर कहिले मिलियनमा आउँछ कहिले लाखमा आउँछ। लाखमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि 66,10,000 हेक्टर छ। Now here another question is, when did the Convention of Biological Diversity CBD 1992 enter into force? And here are the options: 5 June 1992, 12 June 1992, 29 December 1993, 21 February 1994. And here right answer is 29 December 1993. The convention was opened for signature at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro on 5 June 1992 and entered into force on 29 December 1993. Now here another question is, the plant used for controlling insect and pest is, and here are the options: Charaito, Berberis asiatica, तितेपाती बेल। Berberis asiatica भनेको चुत्रो हो, and here right answer is तितेपाती। कहिलेकाहीँ यहाँ तितेपाती नदिएर आर्टिमिसिया बुल्गारिस भनेर दिन सक्छ, जुन चाहिँ तितेपातीको साइन्टिफिक नेम हो। Now fourth question is, the part of forest set aside to be regenerated or otherwise treated during a specified period is, and here are the options: periodic block, coop, cutting section, subcompartment. Here right answer is periodic block. The periodic block is a subdivision of filling sewerage and is defined as the part of forest allocated for regeneration or the other treatment during a specified period. Here fifth question is, the possibility of exposing the soil is high in which type of thinning? And here are the options: mechanical thinning, ordinary thinning, crown thinning, all of the above. Which may be the answer? You have to guess. Here answer is crown thinning. Crown thinning is also known as thinning from above. This crown thinning removes all of the tree that impact crown-wise on other tree. Top height is used for determining, and here are the options: volume of crop, quality of the site, fertility of site, all of the above. Here right answer is quality of the site. Top height is used to determine quality of the site. Now let's move on to another question: how many forest ecosystems are found in Nepal? And here are the options: A 53, B 118, C 112, D 38. Now here you have to guess. You all might say 118, but your right answer is 112. Total number of ecosystem is 118. त्योहरूमध्ये फरेस्ट इकोसिस्टमको 112, कल्टिभेटेड इकोसिस्टमको 4, वाटर इकोसिस्टमको 1, ग्लेसियर, स्नो, रक इकोसिस्टमको 1। यो टोटल गरेर बल्ल 118 हुने हो। त्यसैले फरेस्ट इकोसिस्टमको 112 इज राइट एन्सर। क्वेसन नम्बर 8, राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्ज तथा वन्यजन्तु संरक्षण नियमावली 2030 परिच्छेद 4 अनुसार कस्तो किसिमको शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र नेपाली नागरिकले मात्र दिइन्छ? अथवा दिन सकिनेछ एन्ड हियर आर द अप्सन्स जिल्ला शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र सामान्य शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र पूरक शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र पंक्षी शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र जिल्ला शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र मतलब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हन्टिङ लाइसेन्स सामान्य शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र मतलब जनरल हन्टिङ लाइसेन्स पूरक शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र मिन्स कम्प्लिमेन्टरी हन्टिङ लाइसेन्स एन्ड पंक्षी शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र मिन्स बर्ड हन्टिङ लाइसेन्स एन्ड हियर राइट एन्सर इज जिल्ला शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र जिल्ला शिकार अनुज्ञापत्र नेपाली नागरिकहरूलाई मात्र दिन सकिनेछ र यसको भ्यालिडेसन भनेको 10 दिनको हुन्छ एन्ड फी भनेको ₹7,000 नेपाली. Now your another question is the most common soil order found in Nepal are, and here are the options. And now here you have to look and guess the right answer. Which one might be the right answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. And here right answer is option A, intissules, insectissules, molluscs, alfisols and sporosols. Most common soil order found in Nepal. Now, your another question is, which sampling design was adopted to conduct the forest inventory in Forest Resource Assessment 2010 to 2014? यो एक्जाममा सोधिसकेको छ, लोकसेवाको एक्जाममा सोधि पनि सकेको छ कुन टाइप अफ फरेस्ट इन्भेन्ट्री युज भएको थियो भनेर. Your right answer is two-phase stratified systematic cluster sampling design. First phase sampling was undertaken as text study using high resolution satellite imagery, that is rapid eye and Google Earth. Second phase sample was the subsample of first phase sample. Now let's move on to another question. Disease symptoms in plant may be classified as, and here are the options: wilt, canker and decay, necrotic, atrophic and hypertrophic, root rot disease and heart rot disease, all of the above. And here you have to guess answer, and your right answer is necrotic, atrophic and hypertrophic symptoms. Now another question is, the average forest carbon stock in Nepal is, and your right answer is 176.95 ton per hectare. This data is also related to FRA assessment 2010, that is Forest Resource Assessment 2010. Now let's move on to another question. How many biodiversity themes have been identified to ensure the objective of NBSAP 2014 to 2020? And here are the options: 3 biodiversity themes, 4 biodiversity themes, 5 and 6 biodiversity themes. And here right answer is 6 biodiversity themes. And what are they? They are protected area biodiversity, forest biodiversity outside protected area, rangeland biodiversity, wetland biodiversity, agrobiodiversity, mountain biodiversity. Here another question is, what is the maximum effective height of boulder check dam? And here are the options: 4 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter and 1 meter. Now you have to guess for a while, then I will say this answer. And your right answer is 2 meter. Maximum effective height of boulder check dam is 2 meter. Now let's move on to another question. Replication, randomization and local control are 3 basic principles of experimental design. The most important purpose of replication in an experiment is to, and here are the options: reduce the experimental error, eliminate the experimental error, increase precision of the experiment, estimate the experimental error. And here the right answer is estimate the experimental error.